Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a residential cleaning, deep cleaning here. We are doing 3 rooms, hallway, and stairs. This one is priced at $220 with our discount up to 25% off. You can see it is stains. You see the vacuuming, part of our 7-step process. We have the stairs. You can see there's some traffic areas. We're gonna make sure we get all those up. Okay, I wanted to share the color difference. This is a streak I just did. I want to do another one here right beside it, just to show you how we're really getting this dirt up. And you can see it's coming right on up. These are the results you can see. All right, this is the bedroom. It's coming out nice so far. As you can see, that's the color it's going to be. Okay, so we cleaned the 2 rooms, hallway, the bedroom, which came out amazing, especially this area here. And here's the water. Wow, dark black, baby. Look at that. Even got a few chunks and pieces in there. See, that's carpet fibers there. Wow. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here, almost finished with the moving cleaning. We're working on the stairs. Excuse the sweat. There's no AC here. Here's the floors. We didn't get any red stains out. There you see this floor turned out amazing. And here turned out great. It was really dark in this area. A lot of these stains came up. Now some of the stains that you still see in the darkness is because they haven't been cleaned. Every 6 months you want to get them cleaned to avoid this from happening. It prevents permanent stainage. After 6 months, these stains become permanent. Look at the stairs. They can't look great as compared to before. And like I said, we're still working on them. Turned out really good. All right, stay tuned for more.